I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's, you know.
What's up, Crownies? You're watching Crown Life Chronicles. If you're new, go out, hit that subscribe button. If you've already been a Crownie, what's up, girl? How are you? Today, I'm doing a very basic makeup look using the new Kat Von D eyebrow pomade and eyebrow pencil. It was sent to me via my Vox box from Influencer. The information is down below in the description box if you want to sign up. Hey! But if you like this look or you have any comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys later. Alright, so if you guys want the tea on what I thought of this new eyebrow pomade from Kat Von D, I mean, if you can't tell from this clip, I don't know what to tell you. But what you can do though is make sure you got those notifications turned on and stay tuned for the next video where I sit down and tell you what I think, pros and cons, and all the juicy details about this new product.